What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Meta stock and how it has destroyed the market. Guys, it's kaboom! Meta kaboomed the market today. We'll go over its earnings. I'll also take you over QQQ, SPY, and then Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, Netflix. But first we will focus on Meta today. We had their earnings. Earnings are a beat. But what's going on, Junior Trader? Meta is falling, right? And not just that, like you can see the effect of this, the chain reaction, affecting, going all the way across to NVIDIA. NVIDIA is at 781 right now in the post market. $15 down from its already closing price of 796, $27 down. I'll talk about NVIDIA later today as well. If you have seen my morning video, that's great, but I'll do another video later today on NVIDIA for the wrap up of the day. But let's focus on Meta, guys, because it's just not that Meta is down like what, $80. And I have my short position on this that you already know of, that I have been talking about from my previous videos. I am loving this move. Like, I mean, this move I was expecting maybe would take weeks. I got it in a day. So I'm loving this short play that I have had. I'll talk about this as well in this video. I usually don't carry my any plays through the earnings, but again, at least if you are just starting to trade, I would not suggest you carry your trades through the earnings. But I mean, it's all about, at least for me, the sizing and the position management and stop losses. And I took the play through Netflix earnings as well, made a lot of money on the short side, now through Meta's earnings as well. I'm loving this thing. But anyways, guys, let's focus to the earnings and then we'll go over indices and other tech stocks, because Meta has destroyed the market today. Not just Meta falling, all of the stocks are falling as well. Tesla is doing great. Just gonna show you real quick. It's doing better than all other tech stocks in the post market as well. Not that dramatic fall, as you will see in other stocks soon. So guys, with that, I also want to let you know that none of this is any financial advice. This is only for education purposes. I'm only sharing my opinion, nothing more than that. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes, okay? So Meta, let's start off with the earnings. Now, clear, clean beat, right? Great. EPS, great. Revenue, great. Well, what happened? So let's go over this thing. So Meta beat the analysts' estimates. It's tanking due to the company's likely the guidance, future-looking guidance. So they are saying that they have raised the expense outlook for the year from a range of 94 billion to 99 billion to a new range of 96 billion to 99 billion. Wow. Whew, guys, just these numbers. Wow. Wow, I'm feeling lightheaded right now just listening to these numbers. These are their expenses. And Meta also raised its capital expenditure forecast from a range of 30 billion to 37 billion to a new range of 35 billion to 40 billion. They say that though we are not providing guidance for years beyond 2024, we expect capital expenditure will continue to increase next year as we invest aggressively to support our ambitious AI research and product development efforts. All right, so its earnings are a beat, but the future-looking guidance is more expensive, so as to put it, right? So that's that. That is definitely affecting the market quite a lot. Now, regarding display, let's get this out of the way. So you are aware about that I opened up display at the level of 485, and I talked about, yes, it was going against my position. I talked about, guys, that's fine as long as it's still below this trend line. I'm still fine to hold it, and if it hit my stop loss, it's the name of the game, right? I was willing to take this risk because the structure to me was looking weak. And in one way or the other, the earnings came out in my favor. Again, I didn't know. There's no way for me to know that after earnings, this is going to happen. No, I didn't know any of that. And you just never know how the market is going to take the earnings, what is going to come out in the guidance call and all of that. So for me, or that's why I say, like, I don't really try. Technicals are completely different before and after earnings, and I don't like to trade through, like carry the position through the earnings. But with Netflix and Meta, the whole market, the whole sentiment, the way it is, I was comfortable taking this risk for myself, okay? And if it would have gone the other way around up, yep, that was my stop loss, yeah, So yeah, it's not that, oh yes, I knew it all and I knew this is gonna fall. No, earnings, there is no way I would have known any of that. So this is just the play that worked out and I'm loving it. I'm not complaining, okay? So yeah, as and I'm taking partial profits out. I took some in the post market out. I mean it's very close to my position. I took 50% out at these levels, not at the bottom. There is I can't capture the bottom. I took some out at one of these levels. Again, it took me a while as well to place my orders in the post. I wasn't expecting this move. So, but anyways, I'm still having around 40% position on this, still open on the short side, and I'm planning to keep carrying that. I expect this also to meet the 200 days moving average, but the thing is that, guys, this thing is gonna tomorrow when it's gonna open up 416 right around this area, right? This is an island reversal. It's gonna show you this pattern. Like this is yeah, this was a complete different chart, and now we are back in the complete different chart in the technicals form. So you can Google, you can Google this thing, island reversal. That will tell you a lot more background what that is. But yeah, this is that's a technical word. Okay, at the end of the day, it's all demand and supply and all of that. But it's just a technical word for it. That it's a island reversals are more like structural as well. This is sure still some structural, but yeah, we can say it's an island reversal as well. Okay, so that's Meta. So what do I expect tomorrow? Look, again, after earnings, any reaction could happen. That's why I like to take partial profits out. Who knows? Tomorrow, analysts wake up the other direction of the bed, and they just goes up. But it's gonna stay bearish. But the rebound, I don't know. The next day after earnings as well, it's usually a follow through where the earnings are going, or the reaction in the post market. But there are case times as well that it may give rebounds as well and all of that. These cases happen. So you want to see the next day as well. That's why I like to take partial profits out throughout the journey. Okay, because nothing is guaranteed in stock market. It's all about portfolio management. Okay, now so that's Meta. Now let's actually go to the indices, because Meta has destroyed the market, right? And so in the post market, QQQ is at $420. And right over here is the post market. And this is something I have already been talking about, right? That this is just a rebound, and Meta is just accelerating this fall now, right? This has been just a rebound in an already downtrend. And this is, you can see a distribution phase there, right? So let's go to the 4 hours actually on QQQ. I'm using 4 hours these days more than an hourly interval, just because I can capture a lot of real estate here on the screen, because I'm trying to keep the picture with the recent price action. So yeah, guys, we are still in the downtrend. It has lost that another significant level, 421. Let's see if tomorrow continues lower, and there's high possibility. And if again, like QQQ, if it want to form a pivot here for continuation to the upside, it has to recapture tomorrow 421 and 64 cents. If it can't do it, then forget it. It's going to continue lower. SPY, let's take a look at that. So SPY is also in the post market falling. Again, guys, that's the thing, right? TradingView doesn't show in the post market. Sorry, on the daily interval doesn't show post and pre-market candle structure, right? So that's why I'm on the lower time frame 4 hours. So similarly, with SPY, it lost this level of 503. This was if it could have held. Sure, a pivot could have formed for another intraday play. But since that level has failed, you can expect this to continue tomorrow as well. Lower SPY has another area 498. If it can hold here, maybe give some little bit of a bounce, but that would not come more than 503 in my opinion. That's just my opinion, okay? Bearish, yes, things will continue lower in my opinion. SPY is not in an uptrend unless and until it's not breaking above $510. Microsoft, let's take a look at that. And Microsoft is also, again, I'll have to go in the post market, but you already know I have my short play on this. I have been taking partial profits out, and thanks to Meta, again, for the remaining position, my profit is increasing again. And here we go. Wow, yeah, Microsoft I think will continue to fall. Look at the drop on this thing, and Microsoft has its earning tomorrow, and so does Google, guys. This thing is gonna blow things out of the park. Market is this is the catalysts. Maybe again, I don't know how Microsoft earnings are gonna go, and that's why I would like to size out more before the earnings. But again, Remaining position, I'll just gamble through the earnings. Guys, there is no way to know what's going to happen after the earnings. Technicals are different before and after, okay? But I'm fine because there's only, I took some profits out already here, like around 50% and more of my position. So remaining, I'm still in like $400 is back again here. You know, why not? I should take out more. I'll see tomorrow as well what the price is looking like. And then, yeah, I would like to just take out more down there. All right, so that's Microsoft. Let's take a look at now Apple. So Apple is standing strong. It's not that of a dramatic fall on this in the post market at least, but yeah. So on Apple, I have been saying that, you know, structural change might start to come if it breaks off 166 and 88 cents area. At least a long play intraday has come. The swing structure change is above 170 and 15 cents. Otherwise, if it can't break through it, this might continue lower. But to me, this seems like a liquidity grab. But again, it's below 20 days moving average just because the strength, you know, because it's like it's like a stretch. I don't know if you understand what I mean by that, but it's like a stretch. You know, it's not like a soft fall. It's like a stretch, extension, and stretch and extension, right? So it's not like a smooth downtrend, it's like a stretching downtrend, which usually results in stretch back up, right? It's elasticity, right? So yeah, so that's with Apple, guys. Google is falling in the post market as well, 153 and 71 cents. I don't have any play on this, and I don't want to take any play on this. It has its earning as well tomorrow. I'm not gonna gamble through this in the earnings. Again, I'm not gambling, but I'm just like, I'm still trading technically, but what I mean to say is that earnings, there is no guarantee what price is going to do. Okay, so it's more just about, sometimes it's the hunch that you just need to follow, right? Through the earnings if you're trading, which comes with experience. Google, I'm just going to leave it alone for tomorrow. I mean, I'm not going to take any position, but yeah, looks like it may continue to fall, and we'll see how the earnings comes then. But yes, if this thing continues to fall through the earnings, guys, market is going to go really quickly down then. Amazon. So Amazon, yep, I'm back in the play on this. Well, when I say back in the play, yeah, this was the short area I wanted to go in, 177 and 26 cents. And so yeah, today's candle gave, you know, I'm in the play, and I'm already in the profit thanks to Meta, I think. Yeah, thanks to Meta, my Amazon play is in the money. So yep, and just gonna keep carrying it now. This is my second short play on Amazon. One I took a quick one over there. You can check out these videos on my channel, guys, if you want to know the thinking process of how I have been taking these plays. And yeah, so I plan on carrying this at least down closer to maybe 155 and 64 cents, and we'll see how the market evolves. Amazon has its earnings coming Tuesday next week, so accordingly I might adjust my position, and I'm going to take partial profits out throughout the journey. Netflix. So Netflix is post-market 550 down here. I still have position on it around, not much, well, maybe 25% now. But because I took some profits out here, and then when this green candle came the next day, I took some profits when it broke this high of the previous candle, or yeah, and then around this area. I mean, not exactly high, but around the range, right? I look at 5 minutes interval as well, how the trend is looking like, and if I know that it's not a fake out or it's not rejecting or reacting, then it's going to continue higher. So, but yeah, remaining 20 to 25% position I'm still holding, and I'll plan on continue carrying it lower. I think, yep, Netflix will come also down to 200 days moving average in my opinion. We can take a look at hourly interval as well. Yep, complete drop, and I think tomorrow the whole market is going to flush again. Microsoft and Google, they both, these big companies, have their earnings the same day. Tomorrow, that may just really blow up the market, eh? Cool. Well, guys, that's it for this video. Before just wrapping up, as I said, I'll do another video on NVIDIA, but I just want to see what NVIDIA is doing. I don't know why, I just love seeing NVIDIA. Okay, 785 now in the post market. Still quite low though. But okay, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.